Today, I will guide you how to sign in into Facebook account on PC. For that, open the preferred browser on the PC and you need to search for facebook.com and press enter on the keyboard. Then you'll be taken to the sign in page of Facebook account. If you haven't created an account, then you can easily create new account on Facebook. For now, let's enter the email or phone number and the password here. Once you have entered the credential, if you want to double check the password, you can click on this highlight button here and check it. Otherwise, let's keep it as it is. And now click on this login button. If you want to save the password, you can click on save. Otherwise, let's click on never. If you want to allow Facebook to show notification, you can click on allow button. Otherwise, let's click on block. So here you can see that I have already been logged in into my Facebook account on PC. So now you can easily interact with people on Facebook. So this is it guys for today. If this video was helpful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.